Tired of to-do list chaos? Let's tame that beast. Today, we're diving into Zapier, a tool that automates your to-do list updates, saving you time and boosting your productivity. First, head over to Zapier.com and create a free account. Once you're logged in, click on the big Create Zap button. This is where the magic begins. Now, let's set up our trigger. This is the event that will kick off our automation. For example, if you want to add a task to your to-do list whenever you receive a new email in Gmail, select Gmail as your trigger app. You will be prompted to connect your Gmail account. Once connected, select the specific trigger event, such as new email. You can even specify a certain label or sender to narrow down the trigger. Next, we'll set up the action. What happens after the trigger? Search for your to-do list app. Common choices include Todoist, Asana, Google Tasks, and Microsoft To Do. Select your app. Connect your chosen to-do list app account. Then, you'll need to customize the action. This involves telling Zapier what information from the email to pull into your to-do list task. For example, use the email subject as the task name and the body as the description. You can also set a due date based on the email's received date. Finally, give your Zap a descriptive name and turn it on. Congratulations! Your to-do list is now automatically updated whenever you receive a new email that meets your specified criteria. This is just one example. Experiment with different triggers and actions to fully automate your task management and unlock your productivity potential. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity hacks.